Hello and welcome back to this channel. And today in this video tutorial, I will show you how you can create a empty dictionary. And to create empty dictionary, you can use a curly braces and dict method, and then you can use a dictionary compression. So let's start. First, I will show you how you can use the curly braces to create a empty dictionary. So let's start. First, define the dictionary name. Like here, I'm going to give a person like this dictionary, and to initialize as an empty dictionary, just specify curly braces like this. And that means when you execute this code, a person named dictionary will be created, and that dictionary will be empty dictionary. So for example, print this dictionary person and execute this cell, and as you can see in the output, it shows a curly braces which contains nothing. And if you know about dictionary contains key value pairs. If a dictionary contains key value pair, then in this output you might see the key value pair, but in this case dictionary is empty, so you are not seeing anything, you are seeing only the curly braces. So this is how you can use this curly braces to create an empty dictionary. Now the next is that we can use the dict method to create a empty dictionary, and this approach is very simple. You want to create a dictionary, empty dictionary like a profile, and you can just call a dict method, which is a built-in method in Python to create a dictionary. And same way, just print it profile like this and execute the cell. And again, you can see it shows a curly braces. This means profile dictionary is empty, and this profile dictionary doesn't contain any key value pair. Now the last method that we are going to use is the dictionary comprehension. It is same as a list comprehension, if you know. So dictionary comprehension like this. So dictionary comprehension, and let's suppose that you want to create a dictionary to contain state and its capital. So I will call it states and capitals like this, and then specify curly braces. And as in the list you use the for loop or expressions, same way you can use the here your for loop like this, for key and then value in, and after this specify a empty list. And that means this loop will iterate over empty dictionary which contains nothing and try to access key value. And also this list does not contain anything, which means this loop will iterate over empty list and then create a empty dictionary like this. Here you will be specified your expression something like this, but as you can see here, this list is empty, so it is iterating over nothing. So overall it will create a empty dictionary. And let's print it like this, print states and capitals, execute the cell. We get the error, so we need to fix the name here like this, and again execute the cell, and you can see here again the curly braces, which means this dictionary is empty. So this is how you can use this three method using a curly braces, dict method and dictionary comprehension to create an empty dictionary. So let me tell you how I used in my project. So in my data science project, I had to write a program to count the number of words in text and store them with their frequencies. And to accomplish that, I created an empty dictionary that stored each word as a key and its frequency as a value. So this is one of the real world example, and there are many real world examples that you can look for empty dictionary. So at last I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.